Welcome to this spoken tutorial on report writing in LaTeX. I am calling it LaTeX and not LaTeX. My name is Kannan Maudgalya. In this tutorial, we will learn how to write a document, in particular how to use report and article class, how to create sections, automate the numbering of sections, create table of contents, and how to create the title page. I am creating this tutorial on our less than 10,000 rupee laptop, and I am using Ubuntu Linux, TeXworks and LaTeX. You can also use TeXworks on Windows or Mac. The method is identical. You can use LaTeX by itself without TeXworks also. You are welcome to use more expensive Linux computers also. The prerequisites to learn this are the following: spoken tutorials that introduce LaTeX, the file report.tex, knowledge of the side-by-side method required to practice this tutorial. Information on all of the above are available on our website spokentutorial.org. Let me go to the TeXworks window. I have already opened the file report.tex. Please download this file and practice along with me. I am using 12 point as the font size, A4 paper, and article class. I am using the geometry package to set margins through the use package command. A reverse slash should come at the beginning of every command. Although I will not say it explicitly, you should not forget to put the reverse slash. Similarly, I will not explicitly mention braces, but you may have to use them. Please reproduce exactly what is done in the video. The use package command has optional parameters inside square brackets. The name of the package is within braces. I have set horizontal and vertical margins of 4.5 cm each. Look at the top left-hand corner of the TeXworks window. In case PDF LaTeX is not already chosen, please select it from the pull-down menu. To the left, there is a green circle with an arrow. Click the arrow and compile this file. We get the file report.pdf shown on the right hand side. Look at the titles section, subsection, and sub-subsection in the output file. These are created using identical commands given in the source file. Observe the distinctive features of these section titles in the PDF file. The sizes of these titles are created proportionately and automatically. Also, the section title is the largest and the sub-subsection title is the smallest. Irrespective of blank lines in the source file, the output remains the same. Let me delete one line here. Compile. There is no change here. Let me now change the paper size to A5. This will reduce the width of every line in the output. Let me compile the text as we did before. Let me magnify it by pressing Ctrl+ so that you can see the output clearly. Let me bring it to the center. For the rest of this tutorial, we will use A5 paper only. You are welcome to change it to A4. Note that I did not save the file. This is because TeXworks saves the file automatically before compilation. Let us change the font to a smaller one of 10 point and compile. Hey, the font size has become smaller. Should we be surprised? But proportional sizing and spacing remain the same. Let me change the font back to 12 point. We will now discuss another important aspect of section titles. It is the automatic generation of section numbers. To illustrate this further, I will add a new section called Inserted Section. On compilation, it appears here with a correct number in sequence. Thus, numbering also is automatically taken care of by LaTeX. LaTeX creates table of contents through a file with extension talk. Let me add table of contents, one word here. Compile. The word contents appears in the output, but nothing else. Let me compile once again. All the titles are now present in the table of contents along with page numbers. You have to compile it the third time to get the correct page numbers. Why 3 times? Please see the assignment. Just one word, table of contents, is what is needed. What an amazing capability in LaTeX. This is achieved through a file with extension talk that LaTeX maintains. This multi-pass compilation procedure works with changes in titles as well. Let me change the section title to modified section. Let me compile it. Table of contents does not change. Let me compile it once more and solve this problem. Now we have modified section here. We will create a title for this document. Let me do it here just before the begin document. I will create a title, author information, and the date as follows. So I have added these 3 commands. Order in which these come or the place where they come does not matter, but they should come before the begin document command. Don't forget the reverse slash in all the commands. Double slash here means next line. We compile it. There are no changes in the PDF file. The reason is that I have not told LaTeX what to do with this information. So I add the make title command, one word, just after the begin document. Let me compile it. The title appears in the output at the place where I put this command, namely at the beginning of the document. We will now change the class of this document from article to report. Simultaneously, we define a chapter with this command. Chapter, first chapter. Report style requires at least one chapter. Let us compile it and see the output. Notice the changes in the output. Title appears on a whole page that has no number. Contents also appear on an entire page with page number 1. Please pause here and find out how many entries in contents are wrong. Let's go to the next page. Notice the way the chapter begins. How many distinguishing features can you identify? You should find at least 5. Let us compile it the second time. Observe that the contents page now has the correct information. The page numbers are correct now. Let us add a chapter called new chapter. Compile it. Let me compile once again and see it coming on a new page. Insert the command appendix before this new chapter. On compilation, you see the word appendix appearing. The chapter number is A. Let us go to the slides now. Let us summarize what we learned in this tutorial. Writing a document in LaTeX, automatically creating chapter and section titles, automatic numbering, table of contents and title page creation, creating appendix. Let me give some assignments. This assignment is on A4 paper and letter paper. Please pause the video, read the slide and do the assignment. This assignment is on font size. This is on report.talk. This is on number of compilations. This is on the location of table of contents. This assignment is on the use of the chapter command in report and article. This assignment is on the effect of the appendix command in the report class. This is the same as the previous assignment but in the article class. This is on the geometry package. This assignment is on LaTeX classes in general. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. This video summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have bandwidth, you may download and watch it. We conduct workshops using spoken tutorials. Give certificates. Please contact us. Do you have questions in this spoken tutorial? Please visit this site. Choose the minute and second where you have the question. Explain your question briefly. Someone from our team will answer them. The spoken tutorial forum is for specific questions on this tutorial. Please do not post unrelated and general questions on them. This will help reduce the clutter. With less clutter, we can use these discussions as instructional material. For topics not covered in spoken tutorials, visit Stack Exchange at this address. This is a great place to get answers on LaTeX. You may also have questions on our workshops, certificates, etc. For this, get in touch with us at this email address. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. Thanks for joining. Goodbye.